First, open up the glove box. Now, let's release the dampener arm on the right hand side. Simply pull it out to the right and it will release. Now squeeze on the outside edges of the glove box to drop it down. On this first cover, there are two small clips on the bottom. We're going to press up on the two clips on the bottom. This will release the front cover. Now once you do that, you're going to have access to the inside. There are two clips, one on the left, one on the right. Just pinch those down and they will release to access the old cabin air filter. Now when you're bringing this out, you're going to notice that it says the airflow and the arrow is going up. Let's pull out the old cabin air filter, and it also shows the arrow going up for the airflow.
Now let's get this replaced with a brand new cabin air filter.
And now we need to get everything reassembled. First this cover, and now this one. Let's put the glove box back. And now the dampener arm, and you're all done.